Hello everybody and welcome back to my daily YouTube videos. I finally got the recording system working after quite a while. And I have a guest star with me. His name is Damien. He is my he's my little brother that's closest to me in age, and he is starring here in the video. Why don't you go ahead and say hi?
Hi guys.
It's probably not loud enough. Say it louder.
Hi.
No, like as loud as I am.
Hi.
That's good enough. But today we're going to be flying around in this in an Apache, and we're going to be blowing up villages with these bad boys. Look at these things. They are big. And we're going to be blowing up villages with this. See? That is insane. It is missiles. Alright. So we need the missiles and an Apache. And we're going to go ahead and go find a village to blow up. Sound like fun? Oh, there it goes. Alright, we're going to go up. That crash. Alright, time to blow the village up with a anti-aircraft turret. This is so much fun. I like blowing things up. Stay tuned to the next video where I do insane. Why don't you go ahead and take in? Why haven't you been talking too much?
I don't know.
You need to be louder.
I don't know.
Well, come on. You probably just hear the first time on YouTube, aren't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, pretty much. Alright, he's nervous because it's his first time being on YouTube. But, hey, that's okay. We all get nervous on our first time.
I'm taller than him.
No, you aren't. You're just standing up on a chair.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not.
Alright. Well, it's almost about 4 minutes into the video, so, yeah, no, it's good enough. It's crazy. It's so magical. Alright, so, that was the anti-aircraft turret and the Apache for you. Here is...
explosive stuff.
No. Here's the Titans. They're just Titans. I'm going to put on some cool looking armor. No, where's the cool armor? Here it is. I like the Juggernaut stuff. Juggernaut, wait, what? Juggernaut? Then Juggernaut. Why is there two different Juggernaut things? I don't know. It's honestly just mysterious.
Where's the camera?
Nowhere. Look at me. This makes my character look fat. it seriously makes him look fat, and it looks like he has an H for a mouth. I have an H for a mouth, and I'm really, really fat. I'm gonna go jump off a cliff. This dude, this is fun. I like this.
I know.
Alright, that should wrap it up for today's 5-minute long video. And see you next time, peoples.
Goodbye.
Yeah, see you later. Because I'm a
Goodbye.
fat person. I'm a fat person. Woo. Alright.
Goodbye.
Goodbye, bye, 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 bye. I'm singing a song to say goodbye to you.
Goodbye.
Oh, yeah, goodbye.